So this is the second case I'm discussing. The case number 742-288. This is training AI session. It's a podcast I'm doing. And I'm going to try to do as much as possible so you guys can see indirectly when you come across this answer what was my thinking, right? Okay. This is the following scenario. A 21-year-old female, painful swollen joints, medication is none. So at the onset, when there is an issue with joint, automatically I go into iodine deficiency, thyroiditis, because it's a young female, and the toxins is affecting the lymphatics, which the master gland for lymphatics is thyroid and thymus. Okay, so without even looking further, this is what I'm going to think of. So now I'm going to see she has mild headache of gradual onset, lasting 1 to 3 hours. On the left side, dull or aching sensation. Whenever you wake up with a headache, the breathing air quality inside the bedroom is affected. And that could be the toxins from the bed sheets, pillows, uh, down material, or the mold in the room, or the vent. So indoor air quality is affected. So the first thing is to change the sheets to lyocell cellulose fiber sheets. It's called tensile fibers. You can do hemp sheets, industrial hemp sheets or bamboo sheets. It doesn't matter to me what sheets, but you really need to change the mattress and change so you don't have dust-induced mites in your breathing environment and no fungus or mold that's creating the inability to have fresh oxygen-rich brain. That's the first thing I'll think of. Then the second thing is pelvic pain. So she has hormonal issue. That's very, very important because when you have headache with joint issues, with pelvic pain, it means she is estrogen high automatically. So which means iodine is deficient. So iodine is equal and opposite for estrogen. So missed or late menstrual period. By this time, I would have thought of PCOS. Okay, legs cramping, irregular menstrual periods, spotting between periods, PID, endometriosis, abnormal vaginal discharge, lightheadedness, no menstrual periods, PCOS, lower abdominal pain, abnormal vaginal bleeding, pain during sex, cramping, abdominal nausea. It is group of hormone imbalance because of toxins that is not being addressed properly. So the lymphatic is pulling the energy away from thyroid, thymus. So the immunity is affected. The only way to restore it, if I am going to do in my practice, would be giving them iodine load. So to balance it and do a cleanse for heavy metals. This is the way I would think. But because I have to be traditional doctor, I'm going to answer in a way that it makes sense. So it says here ectopic pregnancy, PID. I can choose the simple pathway because since I've explained to you guys, I'm going to choose PID just to satisfy the Western policing medicine. But if you're going to come to me, I'll insist on you doing thyroid lymphatic. Okay. Here it is.